Hi everybody, Jana here. I am so excited for the Sagittarius new moon that's coming up next week. This is New Moon Manifesting's 12th year, and I want to thank you for being a part of our community. Whether you've been here the whole time or you're new to New Moon Manifesting, I'm just so grateful that you're a part of our community. So since this is our 12th year, the Sagittarius new moon is going to be our 144th New Moon Masterclass. So I have some special gifts that I'll be giving away. I'll also be offering a couple of other free classes during December because I want you to be excited and ready to manifest the best 2021 you can possibly create. Now, as many of you know, I'm incredibly passionate about essential oils. I love teaching people about them to support them with their physical and emotional health. I've seen huge transformations with my clients as a result of using them, as well as in my own life. So as a part of our new moon community, I'm asking for you to give. I'm asking for our community to help me in purchasing 144 hygiene relief kits that doTERRA creates. It's through their Healing Hands, which is their nonprofit, and their Healing Hands organization sends these emergency relief kits all around the world to people who have experienced floods and fires and hurricanes, tornadoes, all kinds of natural disasters, any place where people have literally been displaced from their homes. doTERRA brings these kits to the people to help them and support them as they recover their lives. Each one of these kits contains toothbrush and toothpaste and soap and a towel and essential oils such as tea tree and deep blue rub, and it's got adhesive bandages in it. Each one of these kits is $25, and all of the proceeds go directly to the purchase of this kit, and they go directly to doTERRA. So again, I want to have my community purchase 144 of these, and to inspire you, I actually have a gift for you. For each kit that you purchase, and each kit is $25, so for each kit that you purchase, I'm actually going to give you one entry into a $1,200 prize package. Let me show you what's in the prize package because I'm so excited. First of all, we have this beautiful gold, if it'll stop spinning, gold crescent moon necklace. And because I love oils, there's this beautiful carrying case that is loaded up with some amazing essential oils. You can also put your credit card and your license in here, some cash, and you've got a clutch on the go. So in here, there's going to be 3 specialty manifesting blends that are going to support you through the new year. There'll also be an ebook that will show you how to use these specific blends to help you in manifesting more. I've also included one of my favorite essential oils. This is Rose Touch. This essential oil alone is almost $100. These 3 blends together are about $120. Then we have past tense. So I know this time of year, and even this year has been very intense and stressful for people. Past tense helps you get beyond feeling tense. It helps relax the shoulders. It helps relax your back. Anytime you've been sitting for long periods of time, I love using past tense. And then finally, you'll have doTERRA's exclusive Pursue blend. This will help you in pursuing all of your goals and dreams in the new year. So this prize package is almost $300 right there. But wait, there's more. So we've got the necklace, we've got the oils. You're also going to get a manifesting kit that includes sage that you can burn to purify your home, Palo Santo wood. We've got some copal. Each one of these helps clear negativity and help you restore balance in your home. You're also going to get a Lemurian seed crystal, and I've got all the details on what that does, as well as fluorite, a fluorite heart to help you manifest more. But wait, there's more. You're also going to get a copy of my Manifesting with the Moon astrology journal to help you through the new year in manifesting more. And you're going to get one free session with me for manifesting more, for clarifying your goals, for coaching you if you've got a business. All of these goodies in this price package are worth $1,200. And for each entry, each time that you purchase a kit, you'll get one entry into purchasing this prize package. So it's going to be an amazing opportunity for you to get these amazing gifts and start your year off right. Now, in addition to all of this good stuff, we've got a couple of free classes coming up. Not only do we have the new moon on the 14th, but on the 16th, I'm going to talk all about frankincense. And this class is not going to be recorded. I'm going to talk with you about all the physical and emotional health benefits of using frankincense. It's called the King of Oils for a reason. And it was given to the Christ child for a reason. It was very rare and a very exclusive gift that only royalty and kings and queens could actually use. So it's a very expensive oil, and yet it has so many incredible benefits. So I wanted to talk with you about that. And then on Monday, the 21st at 8 p.m. Eastern, we are also going to hold a special solstice celebration. So we've got two major planets that are moving into Aquarius, both Jupiter and Saturn, and there's going to be some big shifts taking place. I'm also going to talk with you about the 12 holy days and how to maximize those. So the 12 holy days begin December 26th and they end on January 6th. And this is an opportunity for you to tune into manifesting everything that you want in the new year. So if you want to get this prize package, go to newmoonmanifesting.com/give. And in there is a link where you can actually purchase the kits. If you already have a doTERRA account with my team, you can simply add a kit, the hygiene kit. If you type that in the search bar, it'll add that to your cart and you can just pay for it. And then once you've done that, send me your receipt so that I know that you've purchased it and I can make sure that your name gets put into our drawing. I look forward to helping you manifest all of your hopes and dreams in the new year. Again, I want to thank you for participating and making New Moon Manifesting the success that it's become. And I'm so grateful that you're a part of our community. Until we see each other again, happy holidays. Bye for now.